Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery D350 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Santorini black. Starting our journey from the front, where we'll find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, and cascading along the sides you're going to see further perfectly contrasting features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 22-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear you will see your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your darkened LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate your electrically deployable tow bar, electronic air suspension and 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with larger families. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And as we glimpse into the cockpit, reveals your 20-way heated and cooled electric driver memory seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal. Your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. And finalising our journey, we'll look up to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroofs, which are going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery D350 Dynamic HSE, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.